Have you ever discovered a simple twist on a classic dish that elevates it to a whole new level of deliciousness? That's the magic of fermenting sauerkraut. But where do you stash this bubbling jar of tangy goodness while it transforms? Well, imagine unlocking flavors and health benefits from your cabbage that were just waiting for the right moment to shine. What if I told you fermenting sauerkraut could boost its flavor profile and pack it with gut-friendly probiotics? Yes, this traditional technique does wonders for your taste buds and your health. Centuries-old practices from cultures around the world have perfected the art of sauerkraut fermentation. Now let's tackle the big question. Where should this transformation take place in your home? The right spot can make all the difference between a fermentation flop and a flavorful feast. Ever heard of BurpLids? They're not your average jar lids, and they could be the game changer your sauerkraut has been waiting for. Choosing the right container for fermenting is like picking the perfect home for your sauerkraut. Wide-mouth mason jars are the unsung heroes of fermentation. Easy to use, check. Variety of sizes, check. Eco-friendly, check. But when paired with BurpLids, mason jars turn into fermentation superstars. Ready to see how they can save you time and hassle? What if I told you that the process of turning cabbage into sauerkraut could be almost as fascinating as the end product? A dance of bacteria, salt, and thyme, perhaps? As the cabbage sheds its liquid and bathe in brine, a world of microscopic activity kicks off. BurpLids step in like guardians of the ferment, creating that ideal oxygen-free zone. Picture this. You've found the ideal spot for your sauerkraut sanctuary. It's cool, it's dark, and it's waiting to nurture your ferment to perfection. Why obsess over the temperature? Because those lactic acid bacteria you're counting on are pretty picky about their climate. What's the trick to keeping your ferment at just the right temperature? Sometimes it's as simple as a towel or a change of scenery. Why bother with all this? Because your homemade sauerkraut is worth it. It's your creation, your health booster, your culinary journey. Are you ready to explore more ways to make your sauerkraut stand out? BurpLids promises a treasure trove of fermentation tips on their website. It's time to take the plunge into the world of sauerkraut fermentation. With the right knowledge, tools, and a bit of patience, you're on your way to creating something truly special. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield,